Making up a song about Coraline. Hi guys, it's day 6 and 31 days of Halloween. Today we're going to do a pretty easy one. It is just going to be Coraline from the movie Coraline. If you guys haven't seen it, it is one of my favorites. Studio Leica. Oh my gosh, they're just one of my favorites. I know I'm an adult, but man, the animation is so beautiful and so much goes into those claymation, those puppets and everything like that. It's just so amazing. Anyway, my love of Coraline, I'll stop it right there. So we're starting off with a fresh face. I just have my brown eyes in, not that I can take them out, but I just have my regular eyes in. I'm putting down a nice foundation base so we can work on a face and blend everything together, and I'm powdering over that. I'm just using a very minimalistic, like in between rosy and peachy kind of blush, just a little bit on my apples. Coraline is like a middle schooler. I believe she's a middle schooler. I never actually read the book. I just love the movie. I'm just filling in my eyebrows really thinly too. But I believe she's a middle schooler and she's kind of an adventurer. So she's not like a girly girl, I don't feel like, but she's got a lot of childlike wonder. So I wanted to keep this really simple for Miss Coraline. So I'm just using a little bit of metallic flesh tone color that is like close to my skin tone, just on my lid space there, just so I'd have a little bit dimension there. I'm creating some pretty big freckles. She does have like maybe like a couple on each cheek, but I wanted to make it a little bit more realistic and have a little bit more there for you guys. So bigger and smaller, but I did have a couple big ones there. And I'm just kind of contouring my nose. She has kind of a more pointed nose than I do, so I just wanted to contour a little bit. So I am using a white in my lower water lash line. This is just going to give me the effect of some doll eyes, make my eyes a little bit bigger, more youthful. And then I'm using that same brown I used on my eyebrows, and I am just going to tightly tight brim my upper and lower lash line, excluding where we just put the white. I didn't want to full on go in with the black, with a black pencil or anything like that, because like I said, she's a middle schooler and she doesn't really wear a lot of makeup. So I'm just kind of making it true to like a character, how her puppet, quote unquote, her character would look. Of course she has blue hair in the movie, but that's not the point. She's got pretty thin lips, so I do too, but I wanted to make them even thinner, so I barely put any of the peachy kind of color I put there. So I'm just putting down 2 coats of mascara on each eyeball, top and bottom, so we wouldn't have to use any false lashes, but I ended up using some false lashes. So I don't have anything that Coraline would have wore, like anything similar to that, so I just threw on a peach colored sweater, and then I have a blue wig. Yes, it's from Party City. I just ran out and got it for this look. Don't judge me too hard. And she's got a dragonfly clip, but I, again, didn't have anything quite like that, so I just grabbed a skull clip. So, like you can see, I just put on some really thin false lashes just to kind of make my eyes pop and bring them up and everything like that, so she looks like a doll. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my Coraline look. She's a peach, she's a doll, she's a friend of mine. I love her so much, Miss Coraline. I love you guys, and I will see you in day 7. We are also doing a character from Coraline. I bet you guys can guess who it is. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.